Hello everyone. Today, I'll guide you through replacing the battery in your Eufy Cam2Pro IP camera. Let's begin. Carefully remove the rubber cover. Using a Torx T2 screwdriver to remove the 4 screws located at the bottom of the camera. Employ a pry tool to dislodge the strong magnet. You may need a screwdriver to assist you. Use a pry tool to remove the outer cover. With a Phillips head Y0.6 screwdriver to remove the battery holder. Disconnect the camera cable and then the battery cable. Replace the old battery with the Cameron Sino EFT814SL battery. Reconnect the battery cable first. Followed by the camera cable. Secure the battery holder with its screw. Reattach the outer cover and the magnet. That concludes our tutorial. Thank you for watching.